think, Colt?
Whoa! It's got bubbles!
Okay, just throw it down. You can put it back on when you get done. Look at
That machine, you don't want to fall on it.
There's a football in there too, be careful.
Where's Tanner?
Oh, I feel it!
Don't put your mouth, don't open it. Colton, don't eat it.
Oh my God!
Come here, let me wipe your mouth.
I need you to wipe my mouth too. I feel like I have a second beard right now. Mom, just put this around the house and clean it.
Oh, here comes the
Whoa!
wind. The wind's starting to blow it.
Not today.
I got you some bubbles, Mom. Here's some bubbles. Woohoo!
Is this Florida snow?
Yep.
Yes, this is Florida.
Hope you're going to go in there and get lost.
Sophie.
Tanner, you already have shorts
Is
on.
that trash or is that
No,
bubble?
that's bubble. I think that's bubble. Because you can blow them up.
So what do we do in Florida for winter snow? We make our snow.
And guess what? It's not even cold.
That's
This is the
right.
best.
So we were going to be influencing this bubble machine today. I say influencing, I mean we were going to be reviewing this bubble machine today. And can no longer see the machine. There's Colty. Colty, say hi. Oh,
Hi.
He just held his breath.
Colty, say hi, Croy.
Hi.
Say we miss you.
Hi, Croy. It's your cousin, Lizzie. Feel like I'm buried in snow. Clean my white shoes.
Look at this.
Is that a bug? Oh, no. Hello.
Mr. Will's probably like, what the heck is that? We're just cleaning.
Wait, this is the Marshmallow Man.
Carter, go knock the bubbles down in front of the machine. Like, knock them down.
I'm trying.
Throw the bubble back.
Like this.
Yeah, just push them down. Like, knock them out of the way.
Ah,
Like, keep walking back and forth in front of it or something.
gosh.
In front of it.
Oh.
No, this way. Lizzie, show them how to do it.
I killed this cow.
See, uncover the cone. This is insanity.
Rub, I know. Rubber ducky.
We need to get like 10 gallons of
Oh,
this.
that's good enough.
But I bought a different brand that supposedly is like insane. It really is.
Oh, Colty, there.
I killed the fish.
What do you think, Colt?
It's cold.
It's cool?
Yeah. And I killed the fish.
Really?
I just.
Oh, he's gone. There he is. We lost you. Lizzie, come here. Let me see. But let me see. What's on camera is more important than getting water and not choking. I'm just kidding. You taking a shower?
Yep.
Colty, where are you at?
Oh, ow. Ow.
Uh-oh. We got bubbles getting away. They're flying to the neighbor's backyard. Look at them.
Yeah.
It looks like clouds. Uh-oh.
Big wig.
We're so sorry. Savannah!
Oh,
The wind's taking all your bubbles.
we have a malfunction.
The neighborhood's gonna hate us. Come look. We just filled up Alan's backyard.
There's one way over their house.
I know they're going to their front yard.
Go ahead.
So Tanner, let me get it straight. You came out here, you got your clothes wet with bubbles, and you went and changed to get these clothes wet with bubbles.
Because these are actually like, I don't want to ruin my clothes.
Anyway, all right, dude. We'll talk to you later on.
Right.
What in the? It's like clumps are.
The wind
No,
took
they're
it.
flying into everybody's front yards on the other side.
But there's a big one going.
Do not swallow the bubbles or else you're gonna have a.
So if you live in our neighborhood, this is the person to blame.
Clean out your inside.
All right, turn it off, maybe.
No, let it go. We've made it this far.
I was just saying, what's the turn the thing off?
Oh,
Yeah, how like there's no point. It's not.
here, come, turn off the power block over here.
Sorry, neighbors. Look at the AC unit.
Yeah.
It's blowing them even further
Looks
up.
like a
Mama,
hurricane
we're
taking
washing
it
our
up.
grass.
This is butter.
Yeah.
Sorry.
Oh, that's cool. Like a bubble hurricane, tornado.
Well,
Well, people
today on Influencer Family,
Mama,
we bubbled the neighborhood.
Mama, I think our neighbors gonna be mad now. They're gonna be looking at our trees and be like,
Now I'm recording.
I would imagine it's a good baby, so it wouldn't be
Got
as.
you.
Anyway, I bought another.
Can't get your
two.
kids to bath?
huh?
Can't get your kids to take a bath? You get FOMO.
Underhanded.
Cole. No, Bubba.
Ow.
What you doing, buddy?
Hey, yeah.
Okay, I'm ready.
Going under the bubble. Wait, yes! Yeah! No, Mikey! No! No!
You know how many bruised foreheads from kids running into each other?
No! No!
Oh, there they go again.
We should get Lilo and see what she does.
The AC unit. Well, Colty, was that fun?
Yeah.
Do you think everybody should play with FOMO?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah, and guess what? Guess what?
What?
No fight!
Snow fight!
No fight! Oh!
Say bye.
Good to watch you. Goodbye.